Last spring, I had one unpleasant incident. My friend was living in a dormitory, so once she invited me to watch a film and spend time together. She asked me to take with me my passport because I had to show it to the security guard to enter the dormitory. I did it. So we spent time well. We saw the film, ate pizza with juice, and told funny stories. After that, she decided to take me home because it was too late. So I took my passport back and we go to the stop to take a bus. When I came home, I understood that I had lost my passport. I looked everywhere, but it was nowhere. My father called my aunt, who is a policeman. She said that we had to go to the police office to write a statement about the loss as soon as we can, because somebody could use my passport. So me and my father had to spend 3 hours in the police office. A day later I got a call from my friend. She said that she took the bus we drove the day I lost my passport. She asked the driver if he had found it, and he had. It fell out of my pocket while we were trying. I was so happy. She returned it to me, and my father went to the police office to take our statement back. But they refused. They said that my application has been accepted, my passport was invalid, and I had to issue a new one. I was so upset by this news. Finally, it took me 3 weeks to get a new passport.